Alright guys, this will be regarding the FPGA JTAG DIY continuation. Um, so we are talking about level shifter here because the Pi Pico or FTDI will generate a 3.3 IO voltage, and we need to the FPGA board might have different supply, so we need a level shifter. This board is KC105. As an example, I'm just taking this as an example. The JTAG IOs will be generally located, will be always located on bank 0. So I went to the bank 0 page, and as you can see here, it's 1.8 volt. In the case of KC705, it was 2.5 volt. So we have TCK, TMS, TDI, TDO, and what else? Yeah. Um, okay. So we need a level shifter for sure. So I was looking for some level shifter chip that we can use. So this was one of the options that we can use. As you can see here, this is the input level and output level. It's bidirectional. This is the application circuit. Um, so yeah, so this is what we are looking at. So we have T clock, which is controller to debug, right? So in our case, what we're gonna use is the debugger chip. It's gonna be 2.5, and the debug is the probe is the Pico, so it's gonna be 3.3, and TCK, TDI, TMS, TDO, and T reset. So the TDO will be taking the pi will be taking as an input. Um, all right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins, right? Let's check quickly. Um, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a normal reset. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So we have five pins. 5. And the T reset is optional, as we saw here. Let me organize this in a proper chronological order. Yeah, and regarding the headers, there are various headers as per different vendors. For example, ARM can have this kind of vendor, Toshiba, Philips, Texas, Xilinx, Parallel Programmer have this, and the latest will have only digital. Yeah. So it's TMS, TDI, TDO, TCK, ground, and then VDD, right? All right, so we just need TMS, TDI, TDO, TCK, and ground, VDD. I'm gonna check what voltage when I. So basically, I need to check one of this board right here. programmer is right here. And where is the JTAG? Is it behind? So I'm looking for 6-pin header. Or 7x2 header, 14-pin header. Yep, I think I found one. So we have 14 by 2 by 14 header. Then whether it's visible or not. Here it is. And this is the Xilinx programmer. Don't we have any? And as per the description, TMS, TCK, TDO, TDI. Yep, this is what we have. Cool. I'm going to use jumper to connect between them, but in between I will need a level shifter. So let me place this right here, and then this right. Yeah, this right here. All right, and what else? I'm going to put this links in the description. What else do we need? Yeah, so this cost how much? 0.090, costlier than Pi. Pi was 0.07, remember? 70 cents it cost. Anyway, I want to check if Pi will work at 2.5 volt Pi Pico, or even using a register. Yeah, that is one thing that I would like to check. For if I use register, then it's 3.3. There will be a voltage divider here, here, and this can be connected directly. Yeah, that is one option. Okay. All right. So that's all. Okay, this is the data set that we just checked, and if we in fact design a breakout board, this is what it's gonna be. Yeah. All right. So that's all regarding a level shifter for JTAG. Yeah, we're gonna continue. I'm gonna plug this into our server right here, and we're gonna check. We're gonna check this Pi because we already installed the driver and its corresponding SDK. Now we should be able to program this. Next video, I'm gonna do that, and we're gonna hook up the register divider or level shifter right here. This one, as per this diagram, so TDI is GPIO 16. Yep, so GPIO 16 is this one, so TDI. So as per this specs, I'm gonna solder jumper and then connect directly to the KC705. So I'm going to directly connect to this header right here. This is, yeah, so this is the JTAG header, TDI, TCK, um, everything is here. So we can directly hook up the jumper over there and check whether it's detected on Vivado, um, which should be something like to, 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 like this. Yeah, and yeah, so we are looking forward to check this stuff in the next video, right? That's all for today. I'm going to put all these links in the description. Ciao, guys.